is just very small. It's just a prefab container studio. It's just a very small studio. If you will watch the vlog of Miss Karen Davila, pinakita ko po doon. Yes, small lang po siya, tita. Hindi naman po siya super small.
Ako, nabili mo na rin. Bunga ba yun yung TikTok na siya?
Bunga po yun ang joint po namin ni Rojon. For, working really hard din po. Medyo talagang nag-iipon din po for the 2 kids din po. Actually, that question was asked to me by Shopee before. Sabi ko all about time management. And of course, you juggle your work. But again, you don't have to do everything perfectly. As long as you're present in the moment, you're just there with your family and you involve your kids. Like Joaquin, I involve Joaquin kapag may live, nagpapatulong ako, oh anak, you help mommy fix the products, something like that. So in that way, we're able to spend quality time together. And even Rojon, si Rojon also sometimes, he sits with me, nag-hi siya sa mga audience, interact. Minsan si Raver din. Lagot tayo, minsan nag-hi-hi yun, alam ko bawal, pero nag-hi siya minsan.
Ano mas mahirap? Live selling o yung pag-hosting o pag-action?
Siguro live selling, kasi live selling, they will give you a quota. So, it's kind of, may konting pressure for you to be able to hit that target. But then again, sabi ko kanina, Tita Reggie, I'm enjoying what I do. So, I really love, live selling, talking, engaging, and interacting. So, wala namang problem.
How many hours?
3 hours lang po.
Thank you, Tita
Thank you, Tita Reggie.